Welcome to Netflix and Yoga on the Couch. So this session today is perfect for when you need a break from binging on Netflix. So we're going to go ahead and interlace our fingers behind our head. You're going to inhale, draw the heart open, draw the chest up towards the sky. You're going to exhale, round the spine, elbows in. Inhale, open up. Exhale, round the spine. Inhale, draw the heart up. Exhale, round. Inhale, shine the heart open. And exhale, release the arms. You're going to slowly draw the right arm toward the couch. Inhale, left arm rises. You can come up to the hands if the forearm's a little too much for you. Gaze can be up or down. Keep the heart lifted. Make sure the shoulders are away from the ears. Breathe in. Breathe out. That left hip is super heavy. One more breath here. Breathe in. Breathe out. Inhale, rise. Exhale, bend over to the other side. Right arm lifts up. Draw the heart open. Breathe in. Exhale out. Right hip is nice and heavy. One more here. Breathe in. Breathe out. Inhale, rise. We're going to come to a figure four. Make sure the feet are planted onto the floor. We're going to cross that right ankle over the left thigh, flex that right foot. And you're going to want to scoot towards the edge so you have more stability there. The hands can be towards the edge of the couch. You're going to inhale, lift the heart. And then exhale, leave with the heart fold over. And you can definitely just stay on up if you already feel the stretch. Breathe in deep. Breathe out. One more breath here. Breathe in. Full breath out. Inhale, rise. Shake that out. You'll cross the left ankle over the right thigh. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, fold. Deep breath. Notice if you're holding any tension. One more here. Breathe in. Breathe out. Inhale, come on up. Shake that out. We're going to open up the legs. Hands by the thighs. Keep the heart lifted, breathe in. Then exhale, dip the right shoulder down. Inhale, rise, dip the left shoulder. Come on up, one more time here. Breathe in, breathe out. Inhale. Exhale, dip the left. Inhale, rise, shake that out. We're going to come onto our back. Hug the knees into your chest. Give it a nice rock side to side. Be easy, make it super chill. Make sure that you're not too close to the edge. I'm a little bit too close to the edge here. We'll just scoot on in. Hug the right knee into your chest. The left leg will be long. And keep that left leg bent if you need to. And then you're going to use that left hand to the outside of the right thigh to draw the right knee across. The gaze is going to be to the right. And so you might have a smaller couch, but it doesn't matter. If your arm is like up on the back of the couch, that's totally fine. Breathe in deep. Breathe out. Here, deep breath. Inhale back to center. that left knee into the chest. Give it a nice squeeze. And then draw the knee over to the other side. And let this left arm be wherever it needs to be. One more breath here. Breathe in. Breathe out. Inhale back to center. Hug both knees into your chest. Give it another rock side to side. I'm going to take happy baby here. So bend the legs. The feet are going up towards the sky. Grab the outside of your feet. And you can give it a rock side to side here if you want to. Slowly hug it back in for one more time here. Maybe roll out the ankles if that feels good to you. And reach the arms and the legs away from each other. Reach, reach, reach. Find a nice full body stretch here. Ooh, and then let it go. Letting it go into your brief shavasana here. Setting gratitude for yourself for showing up, taking the time. Connecting back with yourself. Checking in. And just notice how you're feeling. Just from a little movement. A little connection with the breath. And take one deep breath in through the nose. Hold the breath. Exhale out the mouth. Let it go. In. And just rock over to the side. Make sure you've got enough space. Press yourself up. Place your left hand on your heart, the right hand right on top. Just breathe. And hands come to heart center. Thank you so much for joining me in this Netflix and yoga on the couch. Namaste.